Before setting up your Enter-Write dual board, make sure you have Workspace 8.0 installed on your computer. The Enter-Write dual board can be connected to your computer by either a USB or a serial cable. The dual board can also be connected wirelessly. To connect the dual board by a cable, make sure your computer is turned off. Connect either the USB or serial cable to the dual board. Then connect the other end of the cable to your computer. Next, connect the power cable to the back of the dual board. Plug the other end of the power cable to a wall outlet. Flip the power switch to on, and you'll hear 4 beeps. You should then see the power light. Once the dual board is powered on, you can then turn on your computer. It will automatically detect the dual board. To connect your dual board wirelessly, make sure to connect the RF COM cable into the controller box at the back of the board. Slide the RF COM holster over the board's frame at the top of the board. Then seat the RF COM into the holster. Next, plug the RF hub into the USB port on your computer. Your computer will automatically detect any of the USB devices. A blue LED light on the Workspace RF hub will light up when it's plugged in. Press the Lit activation button on the RF hub plugged into your computer. The blue light will then blink. You'll then need to press the activation button on the RF COM attached to your dual board. You'll have a couple of minutes to do this, so if you need to walk across the room, you'll be just fine. When the two devices have been paired together, the blue button on the RF hub on your computer will stop blinking and remain a solid blue until the computer or the board is turned off. Pairing these devices is a one-time operation. They will recognize each other the next time the computer and the Enter-Write dual board are turned on. To set up the Enter-Write Mobi, make sure you have Workspace 8.0 installed on your computer. The Mobi device can be connected to your computer wirelessly or through a USB cable. Before you can use your Mobi, though, make sure that it's been fully charged. Insert the Enter-Write pin into the storage area on the side of the Mobi. Connect the Mobi to the computer using the USB cable, and allow the Mobi device to charge. This could take up to 12 hours for a full charge. After the Mobi is charged up, you're ready to connect and use it. To connect the Mobi, plug the RF hub into a free USB port on your computer. When you're not using the Mobi, you can store the RF hub in a small storage area on the bottom side of the Mobi device. Once the RF hub is plugged into your computer, turn on the Mobi. Press the activation light on the RF hub, then turn the Mobi over and click the activation button there. You'll only have to do this one time. The next time you go to turn on your computer or use your Mobi, it will automatically recognize each other. This concludes the training video for setting up an Enter-Write dual board and Mobi.